How to add family member to Life360 app. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. To add your family member to Life360, make sure that you have installed your Life360 application and it is up to date. That open up your Play Store or App Store, and in the search bar search for Life360. Tap on it and install, or just tap open to your Life360. Make sure to sign in to your account. Now once you are in your Life360, to add your family members, all you have to do is tap on the setting gear option at the top in your left hand side. Select circle management. Now in here you can easily edit, change admin status, or even delete your circle. Most importantly, to add your family member, just tap on add circle members. Now this is the invite code. Just tap on send code and send it to your family member. And that is how you can easily add your family member into your Life360 application. If you want to, you can edit your circle name from here as well. Now at the bottom you can swipe up this little display right here, and there you should see the option of add a person. You can even tap on it to add your family member as your circle. Just send the code and ask them to accept the invite. Now if you tap on the check-in option, they will exactly know where you at, or they can even live check your location. Even at times of SOS requirement, they will be ready to help you wherever you are. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.